Welcome to Samba Samba. Enjoy the video.
You start now, scan all items and place them in the bagging area so the scale stays balanced. Once done, review the on-screen total and press pay to open payment options. Make sure your gift card is face up. If it's a plastic card, you'll either swipe, insert, or use the chip reader as prompted. If it's a paper gift card, locate the 16-digit number and the PIN behind the scratch panel so you can enter it when requested. After pressing pay, select gift card as the payment method so the terminal expects that format. When prompted, swipe or insert the plastic card, or choose manual entry and type the 16-digit number plus the PIN. This verifies the balance. The system will show the amount applied. If the card doesn't cover the full total, select Split Tender and follow prompts to pay the remainder with another card or cash. Keep an eye on on-screen messages. Errors tell you whether to retry or enter a PIN. Complete the transaction by confirming the final charge and waiting for the receipt or electronic confirmation. You should keep it until you're sure the purchase posted correctly. If the gift card is declined, check its balance on target. Call or call the number on the back, then re-enter the 16-digit code and PIN. Manual entry often fixes swipe failures. If the terminal still won't accept the card, ask the attendant to process.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.